This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Lexus CT200H key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR1632 coin battery. Having a clean, well-lit area is crucial to avoid misplacing any tiny components during the process. This entire procedure is quite straightforward and should take you no more than 5 minutes from start to finish, getting your key fob working perfectly again. Now, let's open up the key fob. Look for a small, narrow slot typically found on one of the sides of the key fob's casing. Take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert its tip into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, you can separate the two halves of the key fob. Be sure to apply steady, even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing, and it should pop open easily. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR1632 coin battery. Now, take your new battery and carefully slide it into place, ensuring the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. It should fit snugly. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, it's a good idea to test your key fob immediately with your Lexus CT200H to ensure it's working correctly. You should now have a fully functional key fob with a fresh battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.